Welcome to this session on Managed OpenSearch on DigitalOcean. My name is Zach and I'm the Engineering Manager of the Data Stores and Messaging team. Today, I'll be talking about our recently released Managed OpenSearch product, what that means for our users, and give some demos on how you can use this new product. First of all, let's talk about what we have built. We have added OpenSearch as an engine to our Managed Databases product. OpenSearch is a drop-in replacement for Elasticsearch, powerful use cases involving logs, search, and vectors. We support it in a variety of size configurations, ranging from 1 to 15 nodes across a variety of DO droplet sizes and storage combinations. With fully managed, what we provide is functionality such as backups, upgrades, scaling, and more. Similar to our existing Managed Databases product, we take care of operating the infrastructure so you can focus on building your application. OpenSearch serves several primary use cases, specifically logging, search, vector search, and metric storage. This isn't everything that's possible, as it's a broad and powerful product, but I want to highlight these specific use cases. I also want to talk a bit about why we built this product. Managed log and search services are a top feature request on our Ideas portal. We've also seen many requests for log exporting out of our databases and Kubernetes products. We want to give users access to the full breadth of OpenSearch with DO simplicity and allow you to connect together your DO products with managed log support. We also want to expand our support for vector databases by offering OpenSearch, which is a powerful vector database platform. Now I'm going to go through some demos. As a note, these demos were created using our beta content, and it's possible that some pricing and UI elements may have changed since our launch. I'm going to demonstrate how to create an OpenSearch instance, how to manage your OpenSearch on DigitalOcean. I will demonstrate log forwarding off of an app platform application to managed OpenSearch, and I will demonstrate performing a k-nearest neighbor vector search using OpenSearch. First, creating an OpenSearch instance. I'm starting here at the DigitalOcean databases page. I'm going to open up our Create Databases, and you will see that alongside our standard options, OpenSearch is listed as a database. We support this across our standard DigitalOcean regions. We support multiple versions of OpenSearch, and you are able to create using different DigitalOcean droplet sizes as well as node configurations. You can also scale your storage independently of your database size. I'm going to go and create one of our smaller plans. Click Create here. And our OpenSearch is spinning up behind the scenes. The next demo will be on managing your DigitalOcean OpenSearch instance. As the database I just created spins up, I have a pre-created OpenSearch that I'll use to demonstrate our management functionality. After creation, we provide some basic instructions on how to use our trusted sources, how to get the connection details for your dashboard and log forwarding, how to open up the OpenSearch dashboard, how to configure logs using the DigitalOcean API, and finally, move on to using the database. As you can see, we support OpenSearch 2 on this instance. As upgrades become available in the future, you'll see the ability to upgrade your version here. You always have access to your credentials for connection. And similarly to our existing database platforms, you are able to resize your database, edit the trusted sources, work on log integrations, change your maintenance window, or if you need to, you can restore from backups to get back to a previous timestamp in the event of an issue. I'm now going to open the OpenSearch dashboard to demonstrate how to use the product. If you click OpenSearch dashboard, it's going to redirect me to the actual dashboard. And I've already copied the password from other window, so I don't have to do that on screen, and logged in. You'll see here that I'm now in OpenSearch itself. In OpenSearch, you can explore your logs, applications, build dashboards, and manage your OpenSearch instance. This provides a great deal of customization power beyond what we offer in the DigitalOcean UI, and really offers you the full power of the OpenSearch experience. Next, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up log forwarding off of a DigitalOcean app platform application and send those logs to OpenSearch. To demonstrate this functionality, I've created a sample app platform application using one of our predefined demo apps in Node.js. App Platform is a powerful managed compute platform, and this application is just a simple one that generates text. You can see that I've set up a log forwarding integration to OpenSearch. I've already created this, but I can go here and see I have the endpoint set up, our credentials, and an index name called Shark for this application. Now, if I go to the domain here for my application and generate some sample text, this will create logs. Now, when I go to my OpenSearch dashboard, I'm going to go to the Discover section, and it tells me to create an index pattern. Now, if I attempt to create an index pattern, I can type Shark here, and you'll see that there's these predefined logs that have already come through. I'm going to set the timestamp field, create the index pattern, and now if I go back to Discover, I can search on my Shark index, and you can see that the logs have been coming from this application. The previous one here was at 9:07 my time. Now, if I'm going to regenerate some text here and refresh, we'll see that I now have newer logs. They're coming through on a live connection and updating very quickly. Now, this is a very simple example with these GET requests, but you can see how this could be expanded to forward all of your runtime logs out of your app platform application, DigitalOcean Managed OpenSearch. My last demo is on using OpenSearch to perform k-nearest neighbor vector searches. This has powerful use cases in AI and ML, as you can use OpenSearch as a vector database. K-nearest neighbor searches find the k closest elements using vectorized data. To demonstrate this vector search functionality, I'm going to go to the DevTools section of my OpenSearch instance. You could also perform similar functionality using the OpenSearch API. I am going to get some pre-configured commands that I have set up and put together this k-nearest neighbors. First, I'm going to create a k-nearest neighbors index. Now, you don't have to follow along too closely with all of these parameters. These are available in the OpenSearch documentation and examples, but I'm creating an index that uses k-nearest neighbors. Let's go ahead and create that. I get the response back telling me that it's created my KNN index 1. Next, I'm going to bulk post in some vectorized data. This data consists of a vector and a price field. This is sample data that has been generated by OpenSearch for this purpose. And you can see that I'm writing these to the my KNN index. Now I'm going to go ahead and send this. And you can see that all of this data has been written to my index. Now finally, I'm going to perform the actual search. So here I'm going to query my index for KNN and use k equals 2 and pass in this vector. So what this search is going to do is find the 2 data points that are closest in vector space to this value. Go ahead and send this, and you can see that it's returned 2 of our original inputs, and it has ranked them by their similarity score, and here we can get the price out. This has powerful applications, as mentioned before, in AI and ML applications, and this is just a simple demonstration of how you can use OpenSearch as a vector database. Thank you for attending this talk on Managed OpenSearch at Deploy 2024. If you have any questions or feedback about the product, we're always happy to hear from you, and we're excited to see what you build using this new platform. Thank you.